So hi there besties, I have here the Says Lady Pro Zone Concealer Palette and I'm gonna show you how to use it since I have here dark spots. So this concealer is divided into 4. So I'm sorry, it's too messy kay ginamit na ni siya. So the first one is we have here the number 1, the Ivory. It brighten tear through and nasolabial folds. And here, the number 2, we have the Natural. It covers the spots, acne marks. So, ito yung gagamitin natin later. And then, we have the Green. It covers the redness, red acne, and red bloodshot cheeks. And then, number 4, we have the Orange. This one. It counteracts dark under eye circle. Now, let's use this number 2 to cover our dark spots here and here. And we'll see if maganda ba talaga yung lapat ng concealer na to. Okay. As you can see, nakakover niya talaga yung ating mga dark spots, mga zyle. Look at that. Diba? And let's try it here naman on the other side. That one and this one. And I also have here and here and here and here. So, itry na natin. Lubos-lubosin na natin, diba? So, ganyan kaganda itong ating concealer from Says Lady. Kita niyo yan mga beshi? Diba? Ganda. So, we also have here. Konti lang. Yan, diba? Meron pa ako dito. Hindi ko nilagyan. Ganyan kaganda ang cover nitong ating concealer. And let's try it also here. This one. O, diba mga sisi, nakakover niya talaga yung ating mga dark spots. Yung mga dapat talagang i-conceal.